Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Invitation Maker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Invitation Maker is a creative design app that helps users craft personalized invitations for weddings, birthdays, parties, baby showers, corporate events, and more. The app offers a wide variety of pre-designed templates, customizable text, fonts, colors, and backgrounds, as well as options to add photos, stickers, and decorative elements. Users can save their creations in high resolution and share them instantly via social media, messaging apps, or email. The simple drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible even for those with no prior design experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the large selection of templates, easy customization tools, and the ability to design invitations quickly without hiring a professional. The high-quality export options ensure that designs look polished both digitally and in print. The flexibility to personalize every detail, from colors to layouts, makes it a great choice for unique event invitations. However, there are some downsides. A few users mention that free templates and features are limited, with most premium designs locked behind a subscription or one-time payment. Occasional ads in the free version can interrupt the design flow, and complex custom designs may require more advanced tools than the app offers. Also, printing directly from the app isn't always supported, so users may need to save and print elsewhere. In summary, the Invitation Maker app may be worth using if you want an easy, fast, and customizable way to create professional-looking invitations without design skills. However, if you need advanced design features, want fully free access, or plan on complex print projects, you might find it somewhat limiting. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.